Hi, I am LAYTH AYHAM from 7G, and now I'm gonna be talking about how are we gonna solve the CO2 problem in our school. Solving the CO2 issue in our school involves a variety of steps that everyone can take part in. First off, we need to make sure that everyone understands what CO2 is and why it is a problem. That means teaching students and staff about the impact of CO2 on our planet and our health. We can do this through things like talks, classes, and posters that explain in simple terms how CO2 affects the environment and why it's important to reduce it. Next, we can make changes to the way we use energy in our school. One big way to cut down CO2 emissions is by using less electricity and using cleaner sources of energy, like solar power, by installing solar panels on our school buildings. We can generate some of our own electricity without producing CO2. We can also switch to more energy efficient lights and appliances to use less electricity overall. Another important step is to encourage students and staff to think about how they get to school. Cars produce a lot of CO2 when they burn gasoline, so finding alternative ways to travel can make a big difference. Encouraging walking, biking, or carpooling not only reduces CO2 emissions but also promotes healthier habits and saves money on gas. Lastly, we can work on reducing waste at our school. When we throw things away, they often end up in landfills uh, where they can release CO2 as they break down. By recycling more and throwing away less, we can cut down the CO2 that our school produces. We can we can also look for ways to reuse things instead of throwing them away, like using both sides of a piece of paper or donating old books and supplies. By taking these steps together, we can make sure our school is healthier, more sustainable place for everyone. Thanks.